In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make K-pop music in Suno AI. We'll start simple. Open your browser and head to Google. Before we create anything in Suno, we need a solid style prompt, and ChatGPT is perfect for drafting that. In the search bar, type ChatGPT, then open the official website. Inside ChatGPT, write a clear request to generate a K-pop style prompt you can paste into Suno. Keep it specific but concise. For example, you can ask for a fun, energetic mood with a colorful, polished vibe at around 120 BPM. Mention bright, melodic group vocals, dynamic synths, catchy hooks, and pop-forward production. The goal is to describe the vibe, tempo, instrumentation, and vocal feel so Suno understands the direction. Submit your request, then copy the style prompt you get back. Now head to Suno. Click Create to open the song generator. Find the Styles field and paste in the style prompt you just copied. This tells Suno exactly what kind of K-pop track you want. Next, let's craft lyrics. Return to ChatGPT and ask for original lyrics that match your concept. You might say something like, write original K-pop lyrics about chasing dreams, and if you want, include guidance such as verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge to give it structure. Submit the request and give it a moment to generate. If the first result isn't quite right, tweak the tone or theme and run it again. Once you're happy, highlight the entire set of lyrics and copy them. Go back to Suno, locate the lyrics section, and paste your lyrics into the box. Double-check for any formatting issues, and make sure the text flows in a way that makes sense for a typical K-pop arrangement. If the lyrics are long, you can keep them, but remember that very dense text can lead to faster vocal delivery, so balance your lines for clarity. With your style and lyrics ready, click Create. Suno will process your request and start generating the music. This can take a little time, so be patient. When it's done, listen closely to the result. If you want a different energy, adjust the style prompt. Maybe change the tempo, mood words, or instrumentation. If you want a clearer hook or a bigger chorus, refine the lyrics and try again. That's it. Style prompt made, lyrics written, and a complete K-pop track generated in Suno AI. Enjoy creating.